welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to beautifully arrange flowers in a vase at home. All you need is a reasonable amount of water. You can top it up if you need more water depending on the kind of vase that you have. You need a scissors or a cutting knife, and of course you're also going to need some flowers. Today I'm using Freddy's flowers for this video.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky.
So flowers are so beautiful and important in sending messages to your loved ones or even treating yourself to something special. Flowers can say happy birthday, happy anniversary, get well soon, happy graduation, sorry for your loss, and a lot of other messages. Or it can even say I love you or even thank you as well. So flowers are just beautiful and special. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to beautifully arrange flowers in your flower vase at home, just to beautify your home. You can use flowers as a decoration at home just to make your house smell good and look beautiful. So yeah, I've just put these flowers today, but within a few days they're going to blossom and look fuller. I'm going to show you guys how I arranged this beautiful flower vase with these gorgeous flowers. Now before you start, you need to add a reasonable amount of water into your flower vase. Then check if it's a good amount. I'm going to top it up again and add another one. I just need a little more water, so I'm going to pour in this amount. So this is what we have in here. We've got this beautiful setting of the flowers, and it gives you instructions of how to prepare your flowers and put them in your vase. So this is the flower food. It is 100% natural. Alright, I'm going to cut it open and put it into the flower vase. So now that we've mixed the flower food inside water in the vase, I'm going to start with the roses. This one I've already cut it, so you need to cut it a bit so that it can fit into your flower vase depending on the size of the flower vase that you have. Okay, but make sure that you do not cut this part, just so that this part can get some water as well and some flower food. Then you're going to gently remove any guard petals. So these are guard petals. You'll gently remove them. I'm going to pop it in here. You could use it to give like the flower food and water a stir. So I'm going to start by putting the beautiful roses around the edge of the flower vase. So here is another one. I'm going to cut it again, just here, it's fine. And then I'm going to remove the guard petals again. Be careful so that the edges don't choke you. This flower is called Alstroemeria. I'm going to trim it and pop it in here. So this Alstroemeria flower is also called the Lily of Incas, and it lasts for like absolute yonks. You just need to like trim it. After a few days you can trim it and pop it in a jam jar and then put it in the fridge, and it will just spring back to life. So the next flower I'm going to pop in is this one. It's called the Snapdragon, and it's called the Snapdragon because it has like, the flower looks like a dragon. I'm going to trim this as well. They are very tall, so yeah, this will be in the middle because it is tall.
Take me home and give me wings to fly. We can be alone in the castle in the sky.
So the Aster flower looks like little starbursts. They kind of look like stars. So they add a kind of cloud-like, you know, soft texture to the center of your arrangement.
We can run away and leave this.
I'm going to pop this in the middle.
We can run away and leave this world behind.
So I'm going to add the last flower that we have, and it's called Allium. They look like the lollipops of the flower world because they've got this kind of round top and straight stems like lollipops. They're so beautiful. It's also a member of the onion family. Who would have known that? So I'm going to dot my lollipop shaped alliums throughout my flower vase. Again, you could trim it if you want.
Just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
Yeah, this is my beautiful arrangement of my flower vase. Don't forget that in about a few days time, the roses are going to blossom and they're going to look beautiful. Like the whole flowers are going to like blossom. So don't forget to put your vase near sunlight, okay? And also, after about 3 days, you just need to change the water and then add your flower food into the water again and put your flowers back in. Like the roses and the Astroemeria, you can, you know, trim it, pop it into a jam jar and put it in the fridge just to revive it again, you know, after a few days or weeks, you know. Yeah, so that's what you can do to that. I hope you guys have enjoyed my video on how to beautifully arrange your flowers at home. This is day 2 of, you know, letting it bloom, and it's gorgeous. It's blooming with grace. It looks so pretty. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I post videos regularly and I would love to have you guys as part of my viewers. Thank you guys so much for watching. From me and my cute flower vase, we'll see you in the next video. Bye!